Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be opening up another Funko Pop vinyl figure, this one from Rick and Morty, number 172, Weaponized Rick. I'm not sure which episode this is from. I don't think it's from the season premiere or anything, season 3 premiere. I know they had season 3 premiere during April Fool's as a real big joke. A lot of people didn't buy it, didn't think it was real. He's one in a set of 7, but there are some extra figures. There is like 2 variants on the Mr. Meeseeks. There's the crazy Mr. Meeseeks with a handgun, and I think there's a worried Mr. Meeseeks. I've ordered both of those and they'll be coming in later. And there's 2 versions of Mr. Poopy Butthole. He's got this one with a cane, and he's got one where he has been shot. So, also getting those. Let's take a look at him. The box. Let's open them up. These are really hard to find. Well, some of these. The other Meeseeks, they are very hard to find. Let's get them out of there. Come on, come on. It's not hard. There we go. And this one, since he's got a very petite feet, he does come with a oh, it is really in there. I'm not liking how they put the stand in. It's very deep in there. It's kind of hard to get out, actually. And it doesn't fit the character very well. I think this one goes there. So you got to stretch his feet a little to actually get him to go in. There you go. Once you got him going, he's looking pretty sharp. Now there's 2 versions of this as well. Funko Pop being, you know, kind of crazy right now. They're doing multiple versions of these characters. And for the other one, the only difference is his mouth. And the other one, he's smiling. Let's take a look at this. It's a gray looking Rick here. Pale. Of course, he's got his standard, you know, drool there. Big eyebrow. Solid piece right there. Pineapple head and an empty space right here. Did not know he had a bald spot. I don't know if this is our Rick or another Rick. So it's Weaponized Rick, but I don't know if it's our Rick, seeing as there's multiple Ricks. He's packing heat, as you can see right here. He's got a huge laser cannon on his hands. And he's got some knee pads there. Holster for something. 2 pistols. Back over here, he's got himself those elbow pads. He's got a nice strap going around there. Again, this does not stand well on his own. You actually have to. He does a full head turn. On his chest, you can see that there's a couple of, you know, more canisters, either of grenades or bullets, depending on what it is they are. Hands have some good detail. All digits are visible. Especially on this one. Seems to be a little bit of leftover plastic on the shoulder there. You can see. All in all, a decent figure. Let's do a turn here. Now apparently the premiere is exactly a year and a half from when Mr. Poopy Pants stated that they would return. So, that's a thing. Anyway, there you have them. Rick, Weaponized Rick, from Rick and Morty. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.